CHZ in every way that really matters faces obstruction at 20 cents, which certainly is very huge. CHZ down roughly 0.82% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20 in an unpretentious way. Chilliz fundamentally shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, or so they truly thought. 16 November 2023, in this video we will walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, generally is CHZ a sort of wise speculation, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the CHZ specialized examination, explicitly let us generally discuss the very current economic situations, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,428,308,418,905, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The kind of absolute exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $71,489,707,597, which essentially is very critical. Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, showing that market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,428,308,418,905, truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99%, or so they in every practical sense thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span, exhibiting how the by and large complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $71,489,707,597 in a genuinely enormous manner. XRP the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP is somewhere near 0.03. And at present exchanging at 64 cents in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, Solana came to $63.93 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for pretty transient in a really significant manner. Right now, an especially broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Chilliz especially shows negative force over the course of the end of the week. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize all things considered, key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they generally thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers especially become all the more truly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants by and large become move certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, in every practical sense, is at $0.078, down 0.82% in the beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 1.02% over the course of the week, in a kind of huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $73,244,102.00 United States dollars, while kind of complete market cap came to $593,763,267 United States dollars, which in every practical sense is very huge. There are practically 7,565,079,839 fundamentally are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing how moreover, Solana came to $63.93 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 16 November 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time span, basically made sense of underneath, showing how Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition, sort of are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which really is very critical. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving kind of normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving essentially normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the Chilliz, showing how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20. Which truly is genuinely critical. The fundamentally relative strength file, RSI, for CHZ coin basically is at present floating at 28 for 14 days fundamentally normal line, which truly implies CHZ in every practical sense, is an oversold zone, and a pattern especially inversion especially is conceivable, which truly shows that market examination over the essentially last 24 hours. There basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,428,308,418,905 in an unpretentious manner. The Chilliz by and large has especially break all its truly upholds levels, and things in every practical sense are not looking great for the crypto market, showing how similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which merchants most certainly become move all things considered, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a by and large huge manner. Presently, certainly bears in every way that really matters are in charge of the market and effectively especially take CHZ cost underneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span, exhibiting how the kind of all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $71,489,707,597. Which sort of is genuinely critical. The CHZ United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and disparity, MACD, pointer is demonstrating a kind of present moment in a real sense, sell essentially signal, as the MACD line fundamentally is moving underneath, especially signal line which explicitly implies all things considered, bears by and large are overwhelming on the lookout. Showing how Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so forth, showing how Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on in a truly significant manner. While CHZ's Williams % R pointer especially is at 61.238 for the 14-day